Before we start with my discussion about Android, so let me thank the organizers of this seminar for inviting me. So thank you very much for the interest of my services, and also thank you very much for trusting me. That's why I'm here today. So basically, I'm going to discuss to you about Android operating system. So nowadays, guys, so we have from web application, we have shift to mobile applications. Okay, most of the development nowadays, so it's not. So if, for example, you will be developing web applications, so there are hundreds or thousands of experts of web applications. Yeah? So, but in mobile applications, so there are few. Yeah? So among the developers. So of course, on the next generation, so especially you students, who will be the next part of the IT workforce. So most of the opportunities that you can get from the industry, from the IT industry, mostly on mobile development. That's why, so you need to learn about mobile application development, mobile programming, so that you will be prepared. So for the next generation computing. So let's like this. So before we proceed to the actual discussion of Android, so later on I will show you some applications. So wherein I could inspire you to learn Android programming. So basically, so if you want to learn Android programming, first thing that you need to know is about Java programming. So all of you have an idea or have an knowledge in Java programming? Yes, alright, very good. So and also in XML, Extensible Markup Language, but mostly on the Java. So since on the Java programming, you need to develop programs, wherein the writing language of Android is Java programming. So we will be discussing about the criteria for good application. So on this criteria, so of course we developers, we actually consider not just what we want, but also the requirements of our clients. So next time if you will be on the industry, so developing programs, so you need to consider so the requirements of your clients. So one of the criteria for a good application is that well-defined target market, so linked to intangible qualities. So of course you need a market check, so for your application. So if, for example, you will decide to develop mobile applications, so for you to earn from that, so aside from selling it to a person, aside from selling it to a particular company, or aside from, let's say, rendering services to a particular company, one of the things that you need to do is to upload your apps on the internet. Yeah? So to upload it on the Google market. So, and one of the criteria, of course, so what matters is the number of downloads so that you will earn. Okay? So next is functionality. So run successfully and with ease on Android mobile phones. That's what it's supposed to do. So of course, with the functionality, so of course all of the buttons, all of the let's say the functions, so that is included in your program must be functional, must be fully functional. So that your system or your program will be you should have a market, so market share, so on your apps, so that you could earn. So next one is uniqueness in its application, doing something out of the common. So but today, so as I'm discussing Android, so especially I'm discussing this presentation in different schools, in different universities in the Philippines. So when we say uniqueness in IT, so actually, sir, paano maging unique? So napakaraming application ngayon. So it's almost the same, ba? So pag sinabi mo, let's say for example, you will be proposing a particular study or particular research, but to your professor, to your advisor, thesis. So hindi mo pwede sabihin na walang kaparehas yan. So mostly, so may mga kaparehas. So, but when we say uniqueness class, it's because of you added more features. You added additional features, which is not present. So, on what is available on the market. So, or what is available on the internet or on the Google market. So let's say I will be doing a quiz game in Android, or I will be doing a puzzle game in Android. So you could download or you could see different or several versions or several developed programs of that puzzle game. So, but the thing is, so I'm doing a new features, or I am including new features of this.